this video, we will show how you access the main menu. In order to access the main menu, press the menu button, then scroll down using the arrow down button till you highlight main menu. Then press the set button. In this video, we will show how to change the regeneration time. By pressing the set button, you'll be able to change the regeneration time. The factory setting is 2 a.m., but if you would like to change it, you can toggle between the arrow up or down buttons in order to change it in 15-minute increments. Then press the set button to confirm, followed by the menu button to back out. In this video, we will show how to program the control valve to regenerate based upon days. Press the down button to highlight Regen Days setting. Then press the Set button to access this screen. By using the arrow down or up buttons, you may change the number of days that the unit will regenerate. Then press the Set button to confirm, followed by the menu button to back out.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.